Okay, so let's go do A, and this is going to be a 1 prop Z int. Going to do my conditions. And random is stated. Do you see that my population here is 23,000? So 10%. That 97978. That's less than 10%. Of vaccine eligible people. And then success fail. Here we have 978 is greater than 10. And failure is going to be 2350 minus 978. 1372 is greater than 10. So conditions for a normal distribution exist. Okay, I took some liberties there, so with the writing, okay? Okay, so now let's go do the math. So I'm going to erase all of this stuff because this is a good sheet. Okay, so it's going to be 978 divided by 2350 plus or minus. And you know what? I don't know what 99 is. Shame on me. So I'm going to go to distributions, inverse norm, and I'm going to be 0.01 divided by 2. And I get 2.58. 2.58. 58. Okay, so my proportion is going to be 978 minus 2358. And then this is going to be 1 minus that. I'm being lazy. Sorry. Divided by 2358. And I take the square root of that. Okay, so I'm going to go to stat tests. And again, this is a 1 prop Z int. And my hits are 978. And my N is 2350. I made all these look like 8s. Shame on me. Okay, I want a 99% confidence interval. So I get 0.3899, 2.4424. Okay, construct a confidence interval. Use your confidence interval. Do you believe that 45? Okay, so if 45 is not in here, is there? Right, because the highest it goes is 45. To comment that you believe that I believe that 45% is a bit high. Is a bit high since 0.45 is not in the interval. Okay, so the next one wants to know what is the sample size. So let me erase this and then we'll go do the math for that. So remember that margin of error is equal to Z star times the standard error of P hat. So we get 0.02 is equal to, now we already found what Z star is. And silly Schwartz, I have forgotten it. 2.58. Okay. And 99, okay, let me read this again. Okay, do you notice here they didn't give us any percent? So we're going to use 0.5. Either you have it or you don't, divided by n. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2.58. So 0.02 divided by 2.58 gives me, now keep this in your calculator, 0.00775, and then I get 0.25 divided by n, and I take the square root, so I'm going to square both sides. So I have this number here in my calculator, so I'm going to square that. And I get 6.009 times 10 to the negative fifth is equal to 0.25 divided by n. So now these numbers do the do-si-do. So I get n is equal to 0.25 divided by 6.009 times 10 to the negative fifth. So 0.25 divided by my answer. And I get n is equal to 4160.25. So what is it? At least 4161 people. Okay, that's a good question.